Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Today, right now, you'll never believe what tractor I'm about to get in. Let me see if I got a shop rag in here. Yes, I do. Okay, perfect. Shop rag. Checking oil. Oh, I see it shattered my camera case. My camera protector. I don't know how I did that. Dropped it on something, obviously. Let me see here how this oil looks after I pull the dipstick back out of there. Oh yeah, she's good. She got plenty of oil. At least she's got plenty of engine oil. Now that's time to check the transmission. So I'm done checking the old tranny. Transmission oil. Meaning, want to mess with that. I'm gonna fire up the old iron horse and start running some tillage. Okay, let me check. It's right there. Could use a little bit, but I'll have to pick some up when I'm in, or have my dad pick some up when a guy goes to Fargo this week sometime. So, right now, I'm gonna fire up the old 1566. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here, push this button in. See? Shooting a little coal out the stack this morning, peeps. So, I've had many people asking me to get some field work footage. I'm gonna try that today. I'm gonna try getting footage for y'all. First things first. Raising the cultivator up off the ground. I gotta let her warm up for a few minutes because it's been a while since she's been ran. But I think she'll run like a champ today. I'm gonna be running in low range, third gear, again. Not wide open, I don't think. But I'm gonna start up on the north end, I think, and work my way south. So, without further ado, let's get going. Gotta keep my gloves on so I don't get my hands all nasty from the controls. Get them all black from the controls. Grandpa asked me to warm it up slowly as I went. do a headland or two to out front of their own space. That's what we spend on that actually. Today, I'm actually people are on the street passes. Everything is leveled off. So I'm going to turn around here. I don't know if all these street passes or not actually. I think I could. I don't see why I couldn't. I'm running the 1566 turbo wood. With the international cultivator on the back. Anyways, I'm trying to get tillage done. I'll get another video later today when I got more time to run. Because right now, I got tillage to do. Sorry about the camera. I cracked the lens that protects the camera somehow. I don't know what I did, but I dropped it somewhere. Which, yeah. I wish I was using my other camera, the bottom one. Like I said, that one's taking pictures of top ones for recording, so I'm very sorry about that, folks. I'm footage great, that's because I cracked the crap on the camera. My protective lens on the camera. I got one of the lens protector on. I found out I cracked it. So without further ado, I'm going to get the recording, which I'm back to using the old handy dandy phone clip because I don't got my GoPro set up yet to do tillage work. I'll try getting that set up when I go to make hay this summer though, that GoPro line. Back on your iron horse. Yeah, all the dead trails are filled in. Oh. These dead trails are filled in finally. There's the look like it was. 4 times already. This is going to be my 4th time across it. Second time with the cultivator. 4th time breaking up the clumps because we did it twice with the disc. And then we went through and did it twice with the when we hit it twice with the cultivator. Why am I coming over to this far corner here? In areas, but other areas are pretty dry. So right now, what I'm doing is getting ready to drop the cultivator in the ground. That's about where I want it set at. Because actually not really that out of it. So I had to run pretty shallow. Shallow enough we're not going to fill it all over the place. But yeah. We'll roll one today, boys and girls. Don't know why that door is open. But yeah, that's about open. Down. Well, let's get a few rounds made before I get out of the surface. That'll be about an hour where I can't run. An hour or two where I can't run because of surface. Usually it's about 2 hours by the time we get running home. Yeah. That's what I'm doing because I'm running tillage. Keep the rolling, boys. Don't know where I'm going to set my phone at to record better. Really, I have no idea. Well, I guess I found a new phone mount area. Don't think you guys can see on the back of the page. Can't see on the back. I thought I can bounce it where unless it's getting the phone around and then you're recording upside down. Sorry about that. I think, why are you recording upside down? Anywhere else in the tractor with the bounce yet. Nothing bounce through here. Sadly. Yeah, that's what. Trying to figure out the best way to work the GoPro right now. Or my phone, it ain't a GoPro, it's a phone still. When I get going, I mean, I'm gonna be rolling. Now we're pulling. end is so hard, being up on the ridge here, where the only thing really in the ground on a shovel. Today I'm going to be running tillage. And you're welcome, everybody. I finally trying to get some tillage footage. Great. I've had people request me. Hey, when am I going to be tillage? Oh, here you go. Jesus. That ain't good. That's good at all. Sorry about that, people. Trying to do field engineering now. Not the easiest job. You got a fence on it. You go around. Trying to walk through the ground with the cultivator at the same time. It ain't easy. But also it ain't impossible. Right now, I'm pulling like a bull ball. The ground is working up really nice today, actually. People are all the hours so the way we're going to plant this is either we're going to rent the fertilizer, how we're going to seed the stump is either we're going to rent the fertilizer spreader from the elevator, spread it ourselves, spread the does when it's cooler. Wait till it turns 80 degrees this summer. Brown bale. He's not bouncing around the tractor today because his hip's fucking up. Bouncing around in the old tractor today is my job. I'm talking the bumps are really nice right now. Waiting for the call to come in from the gas to come back up here. Gotta get the turn. There's a reason I'm trying to get her done. Hey, that's part of it. Sitting around doing nothing. When I can be working around. This video is going to be part 1, cultivating Krueger Family Farms 2026, or day 2, part 1. No, day 3, part 1 actually. So I started last Saturday night, running a little bit. Ran a little bit of on Saturday night. I ran more ground Sunday. If I wasn't in the tractor here running, like Grandpa was, we got quite a bit of rain on Monday. Yeah, I'm running straight today. The way this arrow's got this folks are running straight right now is pretty nice. Plus that's the arrow bouncing on the back. I got the arrow on the back. I'm not fixing the wall later today for the tank.